Hi guys, welcome to Unbox Tech Traveler, and this is your host Arjun. Thank you for tuning in again. And I'm excited, and I've been telling you about this product that I'm going to approach and get a new product. And yes, I finally have found the product that I needed the most. And this product is come from Olive Planet. Yes guys, so this product I picked up from a website called Olive Planet, which sells military surplus gears, and it's very fun website. If you have a thing about military products, special op products, and camo t-shirts, and a lot more things are there, and it is one-stop shop. It is called Olive Planet. I'll leave the links below so you can purchase one. Let me get my handy unboxing knife one last time to unbox the new knife. And this is the new knife, and this is how it's been shipped. It has been shipped from FedEx. I did receive it this afternoon itself, and so let's see what's in it, or how we can go across and get into the product. So packing, cheers to the packing team. Yes, let's go a little more savage. So let me set this all aside, and the old unboxing knife as well aside. And yes, this is a Smith&Wessons special ops knife. It is nicely packed. This packet, wow. There's a good weight to it. And I like it that way. And CK5TBS should be the part number, and it's made in China. So it is manufactured by Tyler Brand LLC, and it's made in China. Smith&Wessons into this knife. So one last tape, and wow, it's a foldable knife that I ordered. Wow, it's simply wow. Wow. Oh my god. Yeah, it locks on, and it's sharp. It is sharp. Knife is super duper sharp, and yeah, and it comes with a nice, so okay, I guess I'll have to move this so that I can fold the knife in, press this and push it in, and it stays there. It does not move. Comes with a nice clip, so you can just clip on, and it's a tight one. Beautiful. Nice. Look at this. Look at the craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. It is such a beautiful piece. Wow. Comes with the serrated part as well. Damn beautiful. And this is the first sort of knife that I've been purchasing, like the authentic ones. I did have the other unboxing knife like you guys have seen, and if you guys didn't know, or I haven't told you guys, so this is actually a lighter as well. See, you'll have to fill your standard zipper fluid, and yeah, it comes with, and you can light it. It's a very nice fix, and it comes with a scissor as well. My unboxing knife comes with my old one. So it's a multi-utilitarian knife. It comes with a flathead screwdriver with a filer on one end as well. So it's utilitarian, but this one is the beast. Look at it. Look at this beautiful knife. Oh, even by the look of it, it just gives me goosebumps, guys. So let's. So this is your host Arjun signing off.